Hi, I'm Bob Miller, Color Services Manager here at IT Supplies, and today I'm going to show you something exciting. If you have a wide format printer by Epson or HP, you may know that they support manufacturers' profiles that are in the cloud. For Epson, you go through the Epson Edge dashboard to access these profiles. They have them for IJ180 and an Avery and a number of other manufacturers. For HP, you go through the HP Media Locator. The HP Media Locator is located right on your HP panel, and you can just surf the cloud and download the profiles. Once you've gone ahead and downloaded them into your HP, the next time you restart the server for EFI, they will synchronize to your EFI Fiery. For the Epson Edge dashboard, I'm going to create a separate video showing you how to go about grabbing those profiles. But once you've grabbed them and sent them to your printer, then they're going to be available for you to use in here as well. The main thing that you do have to remember, and I just stated this, but you will need to restart your server after downloading the profiles. To restart the server, go to your Fiery server control and hit the blue button here, and you will be off and running. So, how do we go about getting these profiles and using them within Fiery? We're in the Fiery command workstation. We're going to click on these three dots here, and we're going to go to the server manager. Give it a second to load here. And once the server manager loads, we'll go ahead and we're going to go and I'm just going to delete this because I'm going to recreate it right now. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to click add. So for the media type, I'm going to say IJ or 3M IJ 180, and we're going to say 12 pass. I'm going to click save, and now as you can see, it's pulling up the first media it finds, but I'm going to tell it that this media name is IJ180. My resolution is 720 by 720. My print mode is going to be 12 pass, so it's 720 by 1440. And automatically, from the stuff that we've downloaded already, you're going to see the resulting calibration goes right here, and the ICC profile will be located underneath. You can switch bidirectional, unidirectional, whatever you want right here. Once you've decided that the media is okay, you're just going to hit save, and now that media will be available for you to use immediately in your workflow. The same thing goes for the HP. We simply go here and we're going to click add media, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to say 3M IJ 180, and we're going to do 12 pass again. All right, so there it is. So we've already selected IJ 180, and we're going to tell it the resolution is going to be 600 by 600, and the print mode is going to be 12 pass 6 color. So that's really all the information we have to provide. Now the EPL is here, the ICC profile is here, and we can go ahead and hit save. Now that media will also be available for you to use in your workflow. So hopefully this was easy enough to learn. The next video that I'm going to create will be around the Epson Edge dashboard. Since that's a little bit tricky, I want to make sure that you understand how to go to Epson's dashboard, find the media that you're looking for, and bring it in so that you can use it here. So hopefully this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your representative at IT Supplies or call and ask for the Color Services Division or technical support, and we'll be more than happy to help you. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch up with you soon.